from here we need to obviously get supply through. So we're coming into the wardrobe and we're coming into the aerial system itself. So this is a telescopic aerial. We need to release the lock nut, as I have done there, and we need to push the aerial up so it's in an up position. Now at the moment I know that roughly the aerial's facing in that direction, using that green screen there to give me an indication of the way the aerial's pointing. So at the moment it's pointing roughly where I need it to be for Sutton Coldfield. What you do once you've got it in that location, you've got a decent picture on your telly, you just lock it back up again. As you can see on this green picture, it's got a H in the window. On certain sites, and I always check other caravans as I arrive on site as to where they're pointing with their aerials, but also whether the aerial's in a horizontal plane, which is what the H represented, or V in a vertical plane. And you can see now the V, and it's a red in colour. The reason why it's red is because obviously in transit we can't retract that aerial down. It's sitting on the roof. So lift it back up slightly, just lock it up again, rotate the crank handle at the bottom, and you'll see that V now change to horizontal. So after use and you're ready to go travelling, you must retract the aerial down. A lot of people forget to do so. Rotate it so it's now facing forward, pull the pole down and lock the lock nut up. Now that signal goes directly to an amplifier, a booster box. And the booster box in this caravan, I'm pleased to say, is located in the locker just to the side of it. I don't know if you can see it there. It's got a blue light on it, and it's got a couple of aerial leads, and there's a switch or a dial in the middle. At the moment it is set onto its maximum setting, so it's at its maximum boost. If I wanted to decrease it, I would turn that anti-clockwise, so it's now facing towards the minimum, and that's minimum boost. But you normally would find it's better to have it on maximum, which is where I'm at right now. It's also got an on-off switch on the booster box, and it's a digital aerial, so this is compatible for digital signals. And because there's two outlets off, there's one outlet in, which is the white cable going into the booster box. There's two brown cables coming out. One is feeding to the makeup area, to the work surface there, and the other one is feeding to the front point on the front chest of drawers. Okay.